No doubt, after passing your respective universities, you're always looking for a high-paying job. So you don't have to research and worry about the all high-paying jobs. Here we brought you the top 25 best high-paying jobs for 2021. Some of them require higher skills, some of them require lower skills, some require bachelor's degrees, some masters, and here is the top 25 list for high-paying jobs in 2021. Let's move on to number 25. Political scientist. It has a mean salary of $115,000 per year, and industry requires you to have some social service skills, and your educational degree will be master's degree. Number 24. Actuary. Mean salary would be $116,000 per year. Industry would be the business industry. Education would be required is only the bachelor's degree. No doubt you will be needing the experience of all time on the side. Number 23. Optometrist, having a mean salary of $119,000 per year. Industry will be the healthcare industry. Education requirement will be no doubt of doctorate degree. Number 22. Financial advisor. Mean salary would be $121,000 per year. It's a business industry. You would be needing a bachelor's degree on your educational background. Number 20. Mean salary required is $123,000. Healthcare industry, all you need is a doctorate degree in pharmacy. Number 20. Business operations manager. Mean salary $123,000 per year. Industry would be business industry, and you would be needing a bachelor's degree to earn that much amount of money. Number 19. Sales manager. Mean salary would be $140,000 per year. Industry would be sales and marketing. All you need is a bachelor's degree. Number 18. Lawyer. Mean salary would be $144,000. All you need some social services and a doctorate degree as a lawyer. Number 17. Pilot. All you need to do is get a social service industry and a bachelor's degree to earn up to $146,000. Number 16. Mean salary is of this job $146,000 per year. This is financial manager. You will be working in a business industry and having an educational background of only bachelor's degree. Number 15. Marketing manager. Mean salary would be around $147,000 per year. Industry would be sales and marketing. All you need a bachelor's degree as your education background. Number 14. Pediatrist would be your child specialist working as a healthcare, and you will be making around $148,000 per year. All you need a doctorate degree above your bachelor's degree. Number 13. IT manager. Mean salary would be around $152,000 per year. All you need to be an IT manager, a bachelor's degree, and a respective background. Number 12. Petroleum Engineer. Mean salary would be around $156,000 per year. You will be needing all as a bachelor's degree in the petroleum engineer sector. Number 11. Nurse anesthetist. You will be making up to $174,000 per year. All you need is a master's degree. Number 10. Dentist. Mean salary would be around $175,000 per year. All you need is a doctorate degree as a background educational powerful. Number 9. Pediatrician. Mean salary would be around 183,000 per year. All you need is a doctorate degree after completing your MD or MBBS. Number 8. Prosthodontist. Mean salary would be around $190,000 per year. Education needed would be around doctorate degree. Number 7. Physician. Main salary would be around $196,000 per year. All you need is a doctorate degree and work in a healthcare industry. Number 6. Psychiatrist. Mean salary would be around $220,000 US per year. All you need is a doctorate degree after completing your MD. Number 5. Orthodontist. Mean salary would be around $225,000 per year, earning after completing your doctorate degree. Number 4. Obstetrician and gynecologist. Specialist in women gynecology. You will be making around $238,000 per year. Number 3. Oral and maxillofacial surgeon, making around $242,000 per year in a healthcare industry and completing after your doctorate degree. Number 2. Surgeon. Mean salary $255,000 per year, completing after your doctorate degree after your medicine. Number 1. Anesthesiologist. Mean salary $267,000 per year, and you will be making this amount after completing your doctorate degree in a healthcare industry. So these are our top 25 highest paying jobs for 2021, and if you think you're going to do one of them, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.